Dayan, I love
bags. Mga bags.
I love you.
Yun yung mga market na nag-produce ng mga textiles. Nag-request. Ang next ay Itala, a product of soul, dreams, and imagination. Ito po yung itsura ng Tinala. The Tinala is the textile art of weaving handcrafted by the Tivoli weavers in the province of South Cotabato in Mindanao. Yung tinutukoy dito na Tivoli weavers, ito yung mga kababaihan na naghahabi sa this magnificent work is made from the fibers dye with organose juices from fermented leaves and bark of local paramake available in the natural environment. Ano to? Yung ginagamit nilang pang-dye ay hindi sila gumagamit ng chemical base. Kumbaga yung parang natural, sa natural environment sila kumukuha. Its intricate design originated from the weaver's dreams, hence Tinala. Weavers earned the title as dream weavers. Yung dream weavers, ito yung mga Tivoli people na gumagawa ng mga, yung nag-happy. Everything that is a unique and brilliant conceptualized design under the guidance of Poodle. Ano po, yung Poodle po yung apaka-stealing. Poodle is the guardians of Tinalang design. It takes up to 3 weeks to the process of apaka fibers to achieve this design using a method. It takes up to 2 weeks to finish Tinalang from the living part up to the finished product. Ano po, after po niyang malabsan yung fiber ay pinuhugasan po siya sa river. Tapos after niya po mahugasan, di papatuyin po. Ang ginagawa po sa kanya ay yung parang pag naglalaba, yung may na paano po.
Ang bitbit. Ano ba tawag dito yun?
Yan po, tapos as much as possible, all the members of the community take their respective part to do this masterpiece. Yung yung mga kalalakihan ay nakaatas lang po sila sa pag-harvest, kasi po yung mga kababaihan, sila yung nakaatas sa pag-weaving o pag-happy. One is interesting factor with the industry is that there are certain designs that require the weaver not to engage in this way, marital activity in the entire duration of the weaving process in order to protect the purity of the design. Ano po, yung mga bawat pamilya po nagawa ng weaving product, ay hindi po nila sinasabi mismo yung process o yung pattern na gagawin nilang design kasi wala naman po talaga yung pattern na sinusunod. Ano lang po, parang pumapasok po sa mental image nila. Tapos, hindi po lahat ng Tivoli weavers ay hindi po alam kung anong dapat na design ang kakalabasan ng gagawin nila. Tapos, pinagtunay po, ito po yung parang namumuna po sa tradition ng Tivoli people, sa tradition ng mga Tivoli people. At ang Tivoli people po ay marami na po silang award na natanggap. Kabilang na po yung NCCA, National Artist, yung
Kamabawan.
Gabay Manlilikha ng Bayan. Ito yung ang Gabay Manlilikha. Gawad Manlilikha ng Bayan. Ito yung pinakamataas na binibigay ng Only a few weavers are interlacing this design exclusive to farmers who perform rituals during the planting and harvesting season. The sabi is the perceived utilitarianism in the meaning of the Kung sinabi na kanina ni Miss, pagpantay ang pinusay ginagamit dito sa Filipino traditional food. Pwede siya sa lagyan ng suman or kanin na nakalagay sa palapan ng This is the process of craving of this.
Puso or soup?
Puso.
Puso daw, puso.
The next one, the baby process of the A common way to call design of rich pouch with rice pouch available in the market today. The design resembles the shape of a piece like a human heart or diamond. It is used for self-glorification in the willful thanksgiving for a bountiful harvest, luck, health, protection, and other personal needs. Ang tinatawag dito na ritual ay yung pagdiwata or ritual for good fortune and thanksgiving for abundant harvest. It's woven with two pulses. This is the weaving process of this. The next one, the weaving process of the Similar to Pinusada, Tiligi was used in ritual exhibit the value of perceived utilitarianism because of its shape which looked like sao used by carpentry and constructing furniture. At siya isa na ginagawa dito yung pain or yung ginagamit sa carving ng mga kahoy or kahoy. This design is no longer visible in the city's laws unless used for ritual purposes. The kinasig na tinigib is woven with two fronts. The next one is the weaving process of the Batmanada. Batmanada is derived from Cebuano word babay, which means to, and when used in rituals, the pieces of Batmarana are used to open up the ritual ceremonies to please the spirit of the material. Ito naman yung mga figure ng paano gumawa ng Batmarana. Figure 1 to figure 4 is in
Figure 1 shows you how to hold the two leg strips with one common hand strip and open strip. Figure 2. Interplace the open leg strip right over left. Figure 3 guides you to take the two leg strips together and bring it one to the right side to form a spiral in the front of the hand, knocked by the thumb with the rest of the fingers providing support. And figure 4 requires you to repeal figure 3 for the second time to form the second spiral. If the leg strips are long, make a third spiral.
Yan, ito yung figure 1 to figure 4 kung paano gawin ang Batmarana gawa sa panapan. Figure 5 to figure 7
Figure 5 show both hands holding the pouch carefully and openly to spread the noise and
insert the tape and close. Figure 10. Know how to use the bullet straight from your plant until you reach the opposite side to prepare for the lifting one.
Ito naman yung figure 5 to figure 10. Figure 11 shows you how to position your hand in preparation for the lightning. Figure 12 guide you along right side followed by pulling foot head straight down until the tail end of the leg straight. Figure 13 show you how to put rice grains into the pot. The amount is half the pot into half size. After pouring rice inside, figure 14 completes to lock the tail straight in preparation for boiling. Ito yung figure 11, figure 14. The weaving process of the pinaki. The pinaki is derived from the squat word baku, which came from. The name suggests of from like a pinaki exemplifies a classic and holistic tradition appreciation they use. This design creates a bigger size of the pouch because it utilizes for spin of palm leaves. Please read this.
Figure 1 directs you to open two hand strips to make for equal leg strips to position your hand for weaving. Figure 2 shows you how to alternate the four strips right over left with the two heads in opposite directions. Figure 3 shows how to twist the two inner leg strips. The preliminary process ends with figure 4 by holding the inner leg strips in the same position.
Yan, ito yung pagkuha ng pinaki. Figure 5 to figure 8 is in this.
Figure 5 directs you to repeat figure 10 for the second row of twisted figure 8. Figure 6 continues to repeat figure 10 for the third round of twisted figure 8. Figure 7 shows how to release your hands to repeat and interlace the two left figure 8 also directs you to release your hand to repeat and interlace the other remaining left strip. The second one follows the amount.
Figure 9 to figure 13 is in this circle.
Figure 9 interlaces the two legs to the right side over left. Figure 10 interlaces the two legs strip to the left side right over left. And figure 2, 11 pala, sorry. Interlace the four legs strip right over left to form the opposite end of the punch body. And figure 12, show how to twist the two inner legs straight to form a point. And figure 13, closes the two outer leg strip and interlace them by following same direction of the inner leg strip.
Figure 14 to figure 19 distinct Mr. Posas.
Yes, please. I'm going to read. Figure 14 interlaces the first head strips right over left. Figure 15 interlaces the second head strips right over left in opposite side. Figure 16 shows how to loop the first leg strips with the head strip towards the opening. Figure 17 directs you to loop the second leg strips with the head strip toward the opening. Figure 18 interlaces the first two leg strip right over left to close, and figure 19 proceeds to interlace the second two leg strips right over over left to close.